Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to compress a PDF file on your iPhone. The first step is to get that PDF file into your Files app, so we can actually work with it. For this example, I'm going to use a PDF that I emailed to myself. Let's open up the Mail app and download the file. Tap the download button, then tap Save Attachment. Now, you need to choose where to save it. I'm going to choose on my iPhone, and then save it in the Photos folder. Then just tap Save in the top right corner. Alright, the PDF is saved. Now, let's compress it. Open the Files app and find the PDF you just saved. Once you find it, press and hold on the PDF file. A menu will pop up, and you're going to select Compress. Give it a few seconds, and it'll create a zip folder. As you can see, the file size has decreased. In my case, it went from 4 megabytes to 3.9 megabytes. If you're working with a much larger file, you'll probably see an even bigger reduction. Now that you have your compressed zip file, press and hold on the zip file. Then just tap Share to send it wherever you need it to go. Share it just like you normally would. And that's it. A simple way to compress PDFs on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.